kino kemuni.
Kemuni na krim.
Ya. Yo kina nganda krimu.
Kwa karonga ni krim.
Apa?
Iko kama krim di sud. Krim di sud.
Medebata.
Yo dem sio chake meuli taki.
Au ngendo baso mata kona sudu kwa lomba ngame ngondo misanga. Na ngono ndoli mekunyo uliki na ngendo sosoko tundelani.
Awan na krim sara.
Iyo mala kandina.
Iyo.
Ndora boy, tau kere sara bambimbi kemuni.
Iyo.
Ni ko teman-teman ndana mengun ramu.
Ramu sud.
Naken chicken naken.
Sini ramu ngo sini mispri.
Iyo, tau na ngamikina.
Longan tahu.
Nama ini beraka
Mustafa Kambani na matak ni kuwa apa sih gue nabuso kamu na lomani wai kay na kornibuli na lebu ni mata
Dina
suba korbo o Kambani na matak ni kuwa
if you see our clothes, if you see our life today, you can feel what we are talking about and what you are going through right now. The coldness in this weather, if you notice something cold in the night time.
Right.
Very hot in the daytime.
Iya, jadi
Asi. Aure matam. Dona small boil sampai chikolo matam.
I don't know. Every time we do one occasion in the stage, this one is coming.
Oh, okay.
I rebuke.
Why?
Na tamna ni boya?
Konnichiwa.
Na bijiko.
Na vindiko. Kembali.
Baleta, vago. Koya, lebro kairida. Chico na kaya mindarida, ne wakata ganti ni mbula da sambulu chikina.
Iyo.
Chico nga na kaya mindarida mindarida.
Right.
Abo
sa ile mo na biria.
Sapo sa mengora lubinte por.
No, I'm telling you the truth, my brother.
Okay. What I need to do? Adam muda kamo yo.
Take it out. Take it out.
Take it out with divorce.
Wala na mabun na divorce.
Oira. Me daba, me udala tapando na profile picture. Me unfriend taki may vale.
Kay profile picture to ka ng bambam.
Please, te mesite pi. Kuni baya?
Ya balata ito kun tunay mo la sa
Iya, dor mo binaka, tunay bola. E binaka ke mola imbula tau mundu.
Right.
Ndo tu kan ringa mundu ne pa mu. Ko to me biko, na bika nangan tani topo kayango.
Oi ko na no chika na mbulanga na buru-buru.
Iya.
Nangor
flashy things you want.
Iyo.
Ngori bitele ga imbuta ni nusa bola ka sarganiali.
Iya.
Nangor
se nakate ko me aliraw.
Alirawa. Membala butu ya ni nakena ba kawaitu.
Boba kala fama to tegi ko kina.
Iya.
Mato kaya kina.
Monte apa? Monte matatu.
Iya sa iya
Oi sega iko beta monte one club.
Iya.
Eu kanala ko ba no sela sa vitua. Oh, Mike lava, Mike wa.
Iya. Right. Ibu kayak gitu lah. Dia monte
Ya
one.
beraka kita baru sih bikin na lubi bitu di sama cukup na biasa buru-buru na mataki di garabni kuwa.
Iya.
Abo hospital na bawa di bina ke bangole bikin na garabi tabi boli and na mataka bina ke dai. We say good morning to Avarusi Mataloa.
Belum beraka.
This one taxi driver.
Oh.
The dedication comes from Naitape de Lido.
This
morning, iya.
Kita enak beraka.
Waktu tadi kita baru cukup Avarusi Mataloa na
Yasa.
taxi driver waktu mbula.
Saja.
Na mataka di garabni kuwa.
Wih, ya asal na nedan.
Iya.
Avrus.
Avarusi Mataloa.
Ano beraka? Mana ni beraka? Ano ni bitokan? Mai, dah.
Good morning to all the drivers, to all the taxi.
LT 3900.
Oh, 3900. Good morning to you and your LT. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much for your continuously leading up to every morning.
Right.
Taking passengers from one point to point B.
Right.
Thank you very much for your love to the passengers.
Right.
Thank you to be kind on the traffic.
Right.
Thank you too for your hospitality.
Great service.
And your great services
Right.
in our corridor.
Waktu tali bikin na kanda rumah LT 3900.
Right.
Taxi Avarusi. Rodo kali buka telenga Avatar.
Yeah.
Avatar.
Right.
Nama tadi kau orang tu saya kau waktu itu nama tiri munisa.
Iya.
Pas di taxi na L 3900.
Yeah.
Kata kan Avatar.
Avocado. Avocado.
His nickname is Abo.
Abo. Oh.
Bapak letak juga begitu kini. Mata itu harus saya masuk cuma na Kokomo Private Island.
Wow.
And mata kami dengan geng ini engineer mo.
I think we should go to Kokomo sometime.
Which Kokomo?
Huh?
Which Kokomo?
Kamoko.
Kamu kok nggak nambuno?
You have to know Kokomo because that's in New Bulia.
Yeah, I know.
Then why are you asking?
I know. Don't say kokomo. Just say mbulia. Mbulia if no, yekuve.
Okay, our bundi story.
This is a bundi story. You know, there was a man who wants to eat bundi. He never know how to mature the bundi. So if the ripe bundi will be coming ripe if you put into the sunlight. So the fellow was there. Was one day he never know how to. He never seen his life to harvest the bundi. There is a bundi plantation, but in this plantation there is only one matured bundi. So when they went to this farm, when they see the big bundi, he thought that it's like a coconut tree climber.
Hold it. Because you familiar sa na bundi titi demesia. But kiro le mga nangon na lobo sudo ni bulmakau.
Right.
How many types of bundi
you know
are there in Fiji?
There's a family of bundi.
Okay.
They are botanical family. So
Ministry of Agriculture.
there is a bundi. They got a family, the China, the Lingani Marama, the Pata, the Patanrabu, the Banisi,
5.
the Aundina go. Iyo. We got a China Balabu, China Lueger Lagonisala. Abango na nakahamp. Nimbola. Good to all the boys, to all the ladies walking the general way. Thank you very much for. Mamboy ko to you at China. Abundi. Thank you very much.
Okay, 5 types of bundi in Fiji. Okay, and then
he don't know how to mature bundi. If some bundi you put into the dark glass, mambitan na mo na meolo.
Carry on.
You put into the dark glass, maybe in the wall, so that it can ripe easily.
One question.
Come.
Did you drink grog last night?
No. Very cool, eh? So if you want to see the bundi, this fella, the only tree he know how to ripen is coconut.
All right.
So whenever he goes, you know the style of cutting the bundi trees. If you want the banana or the bundi, you cut it downward.
Okay.
So you got 2 kind. One on the in front, one at the back.
Right.
It's a 2 combination chop.
Chop.
Right. Like this?
One in front, one at the top. Don't cut it like straightforward, eh? Just cut it going down and
Whereas a smart
damage.
kina go pakangan kita 7 lolo lupas. Rito ka sa pasan ako.
Right.
Bu.
Yeah.
Kachi, mai.
So this fellow was there. He cut this one, cutting like a coconut.
Cut himself.
Cut himself. Melande. Cut me mbule na kena kamba.
Right.
So from there cutting.
Oh, the stairs.
Yeah.
Like the coconut tree.
Coconut tree.
Oh, sakit doon legal.
So from there he cut banana. And after that he cut trunk.
Oh, okay.
He think that this after cutting the bundi, the same bundi tree will grow again. He was thinking like that.
Oh, okay.
So where the story up to?
And
sama to na buji.
Sama to.
And the girl, babysitter, call him.
Yes. Hey, that's not the way we're doing the wrapping of the bundi. You see the earthquake on the bundi? Sakakala. Earthquake. You see the earthquake on the bundi? That's mean wrapping. You cut it. You cut it to bring it home.
Right.
Oh, okay.
You cut the tree.
You cut the tree. And you cut the bundi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, naikau.
Okay, what's the reason? Nata mo na buni pa kinoga to cut the kamba.
Please,
Nata mo musikiro ko na kamba.
Because he thought like he wants to climb the banana tree. But
Okay. Where's the man from?
the man from the Telebu.
The man from Kantabu.
Oh yeah.
The man from
Okay,
Kantabu.
okay. Ocho sigo Dems.
Okay.
No mi baka sala be ira na segni família beira na mbula baka banua, na mbula baka na koro.
Right.
O bibi na daw titi. Mai. No
Please.
last message, please.
Please,
Yeah.
never ashamed of what you come from.
Ana now.
Yeah.
Totoka pa oti.
Never ashamed.
Iyo, ana now.
And please
Yeah.
do maintenance. Do maintain.
Yeah.
Take the lesson from our grandpa,
Yeah.
Okay.
from our father.
Yeah.
Take them. If you have a chance of going to the village
Yeah.
for holidays,
Right.
please take the scout.
Iyo.
Na mabubuli.
Iyo.
Some of the technique of life
Iyo,
in
dira
the
sa.
village.
Ana now.
Sometimes you face emergency in the sea.
Iyo.
Sometimes you face emergency in the forest.
Iyo.
That's where you independent.
Right.
Ana now.
You know how to live in the
Survive.
forest, survive.
Iyo.
You know the techniques of
Life
life.
skills, eh?
If you're in the forest, you
Yeah.
are gone.
Yeah.
Right.
You don't have any phone. You don't
Yeah.
have any campus.
Yeah.
Right.
Please use the sun.
Iyo.
You know the
Follow the sun.
Follow the sun, Mengesa.
Iyo. Follow the stream.
Follow the stream down. You can see the road.
Go di saranga.
If you want to eat, if
Yeah.
you want to drink,
Yeah.
you cut the walai.
Yeah.
You drink from the walai.
Right.
If you want to eat food,
Yeah.
you use the new, the top one.
Yeah.
Remove the thing, you eat it. That's a style of life.
Yeah.
If you go into the sea,
Yeah.
you the engine off.
Yeah.
When
See,
you
look for
need
one sack.
you need
If
you
the
need
engine off, look for one sack.
look for one sack maybe kuna wai. Dalam mata ba itekembula ya. Ibu tu saya kalau malangi. Kenda udambo na maso inda urong lele tiundala ni bona mama da. Rong meniwai.
No, sa adun tulo mo no, engke ka tu ko na sindikato na ko na baby sack.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sarap na wala sarap ito kan matang ni pengram ni kuha.
Right.
Ito kaya sa na talo leleka.
Doon mo naka.
Dabi na mga matang ni kuha. Wata kina son na lesson ye.
Doon mo
Rin
naka.
tambula kini kibrin na doro.
If you go in the sea,
Sorry.
you engine off.
Iyo.
Please.
Yeah.
Daw na kinastelya.
Iyo.
Kasalawang ko sangan repa na bibu ken dona fai basa di bayo sa kali asini rongo.
Iyo.
Sabi ambong ito na bonua.
Right.
You take out dote, na dote na indamdambi.
Iyo.
Ngay samuta ng dalin way.
Oi.
Samuta. E naliso na way baka nga mo bang tati na iluilo.
Saja na. Kasi nga nadote.
Kasi na dote landi way.
Last question.
Yeah.
Kaya sa chiwai
Yeah.
and there is nothing. Wala mo kambas. Sa kanong kambas.
Right.
You sendre na mo no. What do you do?
Use the mountain, if not the star.
Ay,
You
karay.
use the star.
Moray na nakalo-kalo, e ponera tukina.
Right.
Yung katil na bulan mong.
Use the moon.
Use the moon. Dan siya sa ngayon dote ni Sara. Oh, tau kini way tu isara kay kauti ko na mo lang kini.
Dancing in the moonlight. Ay, berapa sarap ito kani. Gonna outs palangi show. Marutang itu lebih ka tutok ka garabi.
Iya.
Ada singa benaknya tinggal.
Now alam sa Pontus new cream biscuits so creamy in every bite.
Nabalebu.